We get new patents for Samsung's in-display fingerprint sensor that might come to the Galaxy Note 9. The LG G7 might not reach all US carriers, as what we get is a teaser for another phone, and Apple might let you get fast charging out of the box at least next year. I'm Jaime Rivera, and may the 4th be with you. And if you don't understand what that means, where have you been the last 30 years? This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with deals. If you're in the market for the Razer phone, even with all the problems that that phone had with its camera, a lot of software updates have fixed it. We have a review unit. I know I owe you a review. We'll get it to you soon. But most important, it's no longer an exclusive to the Microsoft Store. You can now get it at Best Buy, and it's $100 off if you get it at Best Buy. You can learn more about it in the description. There are a ton of things that are great about this phone. Now let's talk about Apple, as one of the ironies of the iPhone 10 and iPhone 8 is that they're fast charging capable, but they don't include anything in the box. And if you want to go fast charging with Apple products, you'll pretty much have to cough like $75. But according to some rumors that we're not going to call from trusted sources this time, there will be an 18-watt adapter being included in the box that's USB-C, and then it's USB-C to Lightning to the phone. Apparently this will bring fast charging. Bear in mind, iPads bring 10 watts. And then I believe that anything above that is 25, so great if it happens, but again, the source, not necessarily something that we trust. Now, let's talk about the LG G7 ThinQ. For those of you that are wondering exactly when this phone is going to reach AT&T, the company has just said that they're not going to be retailing the G7, which is so weird because I always prefer the AT&T variant of this phone. Apparently, AT&T has pretty much teased that they're working on another phone that will be launched soon, I guess. Apparently it could happen within June or something, and we're assuming that that's going to be the V30S or V35. Yeah, it would be the V35 pretty much. Let's see what the differences are. Now let's talk about OnePlus, as we are expecting the OnePlus 6. We can't wait to hear what we get. But we also know that there will be an Avengers Infinity War Edition variant, and there are some leaks. The problem is, the leaks are not of the phone, necessarily. They are of the box of the Avengers Infinity War Edition phone. So yeah, the box is there. I wonder exactly what perks you're getting when you buy this phone. Hopefully it's a special color variant or anything. We'll keep you posted as soon as we learn more. And finally, the most interesting news today have to do with Samsung and the Galaxy Note 9, as there are now patents that pretty much back the technology that will enable the on-display fingerprint scanner that will power the Galaxy Note 9. If you look at the patents, they pretty much look like the Vivo phone that we saw at CES. We're even hearing that the provider might be Synaptics as well, so that's all great. It seems that both companies finally figured out this whole combo. But I guess in today's question, the most important thing that I ask myself is, if you had to pick as a consumer, either or, would you prefer Samsung to focus on facial recognition or to focus their guns more on the on-display fingerprint scanner? Because in my case, to be fully honest with you, I would prefer that Samsung work on their facial recognition. There are cases like whenever it's snowing where you want that thing to work, and it doesn't really work that well, at least not all the time or in all scenarios. And I would rather keep the fingerprint scanner in the back as an alternative. But that would be me. I mean, hey, if the company could figure both out, that'd be awesome. Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to our channel by hitting this button up here. You can watch yesterday's Pocketnow Daily up here and our impressions of the LG G7 ThinQ down here. You can also follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We will see you next week.